If you've ever tried to understand AMD Ryzen CPUs and ended up staring at your screen like it was written in ancient Greek, trust me, you're not alone. So today I'm breaking down every Ryzen 7 generation, from the old fossils to the brand new Zen 5 monsters, in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the 1000 series, Ryzen 7 1700, 1700X, 1700X Pro, 1800X. The first Ryzen 7 lineup finally put AMD back in the game. These CPUs brought 8 cores to the mainstream at prices Intel couldn't match, but today they're mainly useful for basic gaming and light editing, good for old office PCs or ultra-budget gaming. Up next, the 2000 series, Ryzen 7 2700, 2700E, 2700X. The Zen Plus chips improved clock speeds, power efficiency, and heat management. They're smoother and more stable than the 1000 series, making them better for budget multitasking. Still, they struggle with modern AAA games and heavy workloads today. Next up, we got the 3000 series, Ryzen 7 3700X, 3800X, 3800XT. Zen 2 delivered a huge jump in performance, especially in gaming and productivity. These CPUs are still usable today and offer great value for budget builds. They're much more efficient and stable than older generations, but are starting to show their age. Let's level up a bit. The 4000 series, Ryzen 7 4700G, 4700GE. These are mostly APU versions with strong integrated graphics for small or GPU-less systems. They're good for 1080p gaming without a dedicated graphics card and perfect for compact desktops. Not the strongest in pure CPU power, but very balanced overall. Now this is where stuff gets interesting, the 5000 series, Ryzen 7 5700. Great 8-core CPU for people upgrading older AM4 systems. Perfect balance of performance and efficiency. It's basically the discount version of the 5700X with only a small performance difference. Amazing choice for cheap 1080p, 1440p builds. Ryzen 7 5700G, strong APU with some of the best integrated graphics AMD ever made on AM4. Ideal for gaming without a GPU. Delivers surprisingly stable FPS in esports games and solid performance in editing tasks. Perfect for small form factor builds. Ryzen 7 5700X, one of the best price to performance CPUs ever released. Cooler, quieter, and efficient while still delivering high FPS. Performs close to the more expensive 5800X, but with better thermals. It's the sweet spot for budget gamers who want long-lasting performance. Ryzen 7 5700X 3D brings 3D V-Cache to a cheaper 8-core option, offers amazing gaming performance for AM4 users, one of the best CPUs for squeezing max life out of old AM4 motherboards. Ryzen 7 5800, OEM-focused CPU that behaves similarly to the 5700X. Decent for gaming and productivity, not widely sold separately, so you usually find it in pre-built systems. If you see it cheap, it's a good value. Ryzen 7 5800X. Strong all-around CPU, very good for gaming and editing, but it can run hot under heavy load. With proper cooling, it delivers extremely consistent performance. It's still a great choice for high FPS gaming even years later. Ryzen 7 5800XT, a refreshed version of the 5800X with slightly better speeds. Small improvements, but nothing major. Priced well, it's a better pick than the original 5800X. Still overshadowed by the legendary 5800X 3D, Ryzen 7 5800X 3D, the legendary gaming CPU of AM4. 3D V-Cache gives insane FPS boosts across many games, even in 2025. It competes with brand new CPUs thanks to that extra cache. If you're on AM4, this is the final boss upgrade. Next up, we got the 7000 series, Ryzen 7 Pro 7745, business-focused Zen 4 chip with enterprise features. Efficient and great for productivity workloads, typically found in pre-built systems or business laptops. Great stability and security, not focused on gaming. Ryzen 7 700, balanced performance with lower power usage. Great for gaming and everyday work without high temps. Ideal for users who want Zen 4 performance without the heat of the X series. Perfect for mid-range gaming PCs. Ryzen 7 700X, higher clocks and better FPS in games, runs hotter but delivers stronger single-core performance, needs a good cooler to perform its best. Great choice if you want a more enthusiast feel. Ryzen 7 7800X3D, the best gaming CPU on the planet for many games. 3D V-Cache gives it unmatched FPS, stays efficient while outperforming more expensive CPUs. Absolute king for high refresh rate gaming. Next on the list, the 8000 series, Ryzen 7 8700F CPU-only version with no integrated GPU, strong Zen 4 performance for mid-range builds, great paired with any modern GPU, perfect balance of price and performance. Ryzen 7 Pro 8700 GE low-power APU designed for compact systems, great efficiency and decent integrated graphics, ideal for office PCs or quiet tiny builds, has business-grade security features. Ryzen 7 8700G, one of the most powerful APUs ever made. RDNA 3 graphics deliver real 1080p gaming without a GPU. Great for beginners who want gaming without buying a graphics card. Perfect for mini PCs and budget builds. And now at last, the 9000 beasts. Ryzen 7 9700F, a cheaper Zen 5 chip with no integrated graphics. Amazing gaming performance at a lower price. Perfect for GPU users who don't want to waste money on iGPU features. Ryzen 7 9700X, the main Zen 5 Ryzen 7 chip. Cooler, more efficient, and faster than previous generations. Great for both productivity and gaming. Ideal do-everything CPU for 2025. If you want one CPU that handles gaming, streaming, editing, and studying, this is the one. Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Next level 3 DV cache gaming performance, designed to become the new FPS champion. Perfect for gamers who want max performance with zero compromise. If you want the absolute highest FPS possible on a Ryzen 7 chip, this is the final boss. If this finally made AMD naming easier, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me which Ryzen CPU are you using?